We do not have to look far back into history to see that stable period of constitutional government and intelligent management of the economy leads to prosperity. Let's embrace the principles of democratic accountability, the rule of law, human rights and individual liberty and freedom, which some of us instinctively believe must form the bedrock of our national development and individual prosperity. Yet, alongside this freedom, we must, with the same passion and commitment, uphold our individual responsibility to contribute proactively towards the greater good of society. This, members of the Bar, is the vision of a free society. No society can be truly free unless its citizens feel the need to embrace both liberty and duty. One particular struggle in which we are engaged in Ghana, which I would commend to all, is the fight we are making to protect our environment and reverse the decades of degradation of our lands and pollution of our water bodies that threaten the existence of future generations. Our generation of Africans is attempting something novel in human history. We are trying to use the instruments of democracy to transform societies from poverty to prosperity. All previous successful attempts in this direction have been made either by authoritarian regimes or by limited democracies. We in Africa are proceeding on the basis of full universal adult suffrage. If we succeed, which I'm very confident we will, we would have done something unprecedented in human history. It would enable us to build a new progressive African civilization, which will make its own unique contribution to the growth of world civilization. I believe in Ghana and Nigeria's immense potential for greatness. I believe the stable democracies in Africa can then help unleash energies to drive the transformation of the continent. There's a lot of talk that this will be the Asian century, the Chinese century. But take it from me, the 21st century holds excellent prospects for Africa. This can be Africa's century. We can claim it if we believe in ourselves. It is time to hear the voice of the lawyers. It is time to feel their presence, not by dragging on cases interminably and using technical ruses to make gains. The voice of the law that stands for justice, that brings order to our lives, and which gives confidence to the citizen that he or she is safe. It is time to stand up for the oath that we swear on being called to the bar. I thank once again the Nigerian Bar Association and the Technical Committee for Conference Planning for inviting me to speak at this year's General Conference, and I wish you successful deliberations.